Hey, what's good YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can fix FIFA not launching on your PC. If you bought FIFA from Epic, this is the problem you might be facing right now. So I'm going to be showing you how you can fix exactly that. So if your game is like this, you're going to Epic, right? And then pressing on the game, it just goes like this. It just shows the splash screen, right? And then it just doesn't launch, right? It like goes away, right? So all you have to do is go in your EA, have this thing open in the background, then come back here, cross out Epic, reopen Epic, and then press launch again. This should make your game so it launches properly. As you can see, in my case, the game is fixed and it launched. So every time it doesn't launch properly, all you have to do is have the EA app open in the background and then launch it. If this video helped you, make sure you like and then leave a comment down below if you need any more help.